Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello Miss. This time I will discuss about topic 1. Computers, real benefits in the age of technology. Let me introduce myself. My name Fatika Korea. My name 15240703. My lecturer Leni Hikmariantiana MPD. Understanding computers. The computer was first discovered by a British scientist and mathematician named Charles Babbage in 1822. From the beginning of the discovery of the computer, there were actually many other scientists who would contribute to the history of computers. A computer is a series or group of electronic machines consisting of thousands or even millions of components that can work together and form a neat and precise work system. Function and benefits of computers. Computers as a means of facilitating work. Computers as entertainment tools. Computers as a means of communication. Computers as educational tools. Computers as a means of information. Computers as a means of business. Computers as a means of control. Types of computers. 1. Based on processor. A. Mainframe computers. This type of computer uses a processor that has very large capabilities and is intended for multi-users. 1. Based on processor. B. Mini computer. The processor capacity used is almost the same as the mainframe. Only the number of terminals that can be connected to the computer is not as many as in the mainframe type of computer. 1. Based on processor. C. Personal computer, PC. The type of processor used, its capacity is not as large as that of a mainframe computer, because this computer is intended for one user. D. Supercomputer. A computer that is specially designed and is a very expensive machine. This computer can analyze and visualize a process or phenomenon that is not visible. 2. Based on problem field. A. General purpose computer. This computer is designed to solve various problems and can use various programs to solve different types of problems. B. Special purpose computer is a computer that is used to handle one type of special problem. This type of computer is usually filled with a special computer program, which is usually used as a controller for certain processes on factory machines, military interests, or health checks. 3. Based on process data. A. Analog computer. Analog computers are computers that are designed with the aim of being able to work in parallel in processing data on information that is continuous in nature. B. Digital computer. Digital computers are computers designed to work based on an arithmetic operating system in processing data. Data or information processed by digital computers is quantitative data in the form of number 0 to H, letters A to Z, punctuation marks, and other symbols. 3. Based on process data. C. Subnotebook computer. Subnotebook computers are computer devices similar to notebooks, but similar in size or dimension that regular notebooks. It can be said that subnotebooks are mini notebooks. D. Palm-top computer. Palm-top computers are small devices that enable data connections in the field. allowing professionals such as nurses, physiotherapists, and health visitors to manage their workload efficiently and provide a higher standards of care. 4. Based on form. A. Desktop computers. A desktop computer is a personal computing device designed to fit on a typical office desk. A desktop computer houses the physical hardware that runs the computer and is connected to input devices such as a monitor, keyboard, and mouse that the user uses. Desktop computers are commonly used in businesses because they are the primary means by which many users perform their work. B. Tower computer. Tower computers are large in design and are usually vertical. This allows the tower case to accommodate more and large components, such as large GPU and advanced cooling system. In addition, the extra space makes it easier to upgrade in the future. Okay, we can continue with topic 2.
It's been a really messed up week. Some days torture, some days better. La la la, la la la.
Let's just discuss it. Topic 2. Get to know the world of hardware by Fatika Korea. Understanding hardware in general. Hardware is a collection of physical components in a computer whose job is to assemble computer devices so that the computer can function properly. Or in other words, hardware can also mean physical computer devices that can be touched, the contents of which are related to the computer's working system. Definition of hardware according to experts. Sunarto Eskom. Hardware is a device that supports a DPS, electronic data processing system, that can be felt and touched. Wijaya Aryana and Denny Arifianto. Hardware is a computer component that can be physically felt. That is, it can be seen and touched. Yuda Yudayanto, Yunus Sulistyo, Didi Gunawan. Hardware is the component that forms a computer physically. Hardware function as a supporter of electricity, storage, output, process, and input. All types of hardware will later be connected in an integrated system so that it can be used for input, processing, and output data. Types of hardware on computers. 1. Input device. It is a device that can be used to enter data into a computer. The data that has been entered is processed in a process. 2. Processing device. Processing device is a device that processes data on a computer. Types of hardware on computers. 3. Output device. This is hardware on a computer that is used to print and display information from the results of input data originating from input hardware that has gone through a hardware process. 4. Backing storage. A storage unit can be defined as computer hardware that functions to store information data, software, or programs. Examples of hardware on computers. 1. Input device. Example: keyboard to enter characters and function into the computer system by pressing keys. Mouse. The mouse is used to control the cursor in the GUI and can move and be used to select text, icons, files, and folders. Scanner. A scanner is a tool used to scan physical documents and convert them into digital documents. Examples of hardware on computers. 2. Processing device. Example: CPU. CPU Central Processing Unit to manage all program instructions on the computer and also as a place to manage all activities that occur in the computer. Motherboard. To connect and control all the main elements on a computer or digital device. Sound card. To process all types of data in the form of audio or sound, as a connector from audio output to speakers and as a connector for sound input from the computer via microphone. Examples of hardware on computers. 3. Output device. Example: monitor. For the screen that includes turning the display on and off, controlling the brightness, contrast, and position of the video information produced. Printer. Hardware device used to print digital data on a computer such as text, documents, or image onto physical media such as paper and banners. Speakers are used to produce electronic signal processing in the form of sound, which is very important in running a computer. Examples of hardware on computers. For backing storage. Examples: hard disk for booting on a computer, the storage media for the operating system used by the computer, and as a storage media for data that is very large in size so that users can store a lot of data there. Flash disk is an external data storage device connected to a USB port that is capable of storing various data formats and has a fairly large storage capacity. Floppy disk, which is a data storage unit in the form of a disk and made of magnetic material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.